What's up everybody, my name is Dwight and welcome back to GeForce Garage. Today we are going to be helping fellow GeForce host Britanni Johnson build her very first gaming PC. Some of you may recognize her as Angel from the Borderlands series, so you could probably guess what theme we're going to be going with. All right, Britanni, welcome to GeForce Garage.
Thank you for having me.
So what can you tell me about your current gaming experience?
PC gaming's at my roots, actually. I grew up playing with my grandfather on his old PC, but since then I've never had a gaming PC of my own. So I've been playing on, whatever laptop I've had for school or work, or a console, really. So this will be my first gaming PC. Well, it's going to be a great first gaming PC for sure. So let's talk about the parts. We have an ROG STRIX Z370 motherboard with an i5-9600K CPU with 16 gigs of RAM and a GeForce RTX 2070 Super, which with the i5 is going to be a great gaming experience for you. For storage, we have a 1TB M.2, so you can install all your games that will load super quick, and a 3TB drive to store all the other files that you may put on this computer. To power it all, we have a 750-watt power supply, and all of that is going to be going inside of the limited edition InWin 103 case in this nice bright yellow. And to tie the Borderlands theme a little bit onto the inside, we have some custom cables made from Mainframe Customs. So, are you ready to build your first computer? Are you ready to help me build my first computer?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm so excited. All right, let's do it.
All right, well, it's all put together. What'd you think about your first time building a PC?
You know what? This is above and beyond what I ever could have imagined for myself or have done on my own, I think. I was really intimidated going into it, and so to watch it all come together was really cool.
What'd you think was the most challenging part of all of this?
Well, one, the cable management. I had no idea how intricate that was. But also, what I was intimidated about was how I thought everything was so delicate, and I was afraid to put any pressure at putting anything together, plugging anything in. And so that tiptoeing and like you teaching me kind of my way around, it was like putting a big puzzle together. And I learned a lot in the process.
Nice. So what's your favorite part of the whole build?
I thought I was just gonna get a regular looking computer that was super powerful that I can game and stream on. I had no idea I was gonna get an etching I could do myself and a cool vault symbol on the side. And you know what, I'm really just impressed with the color scheme and all the lights, and I'm just so happy.
Well, let's go see how well it performs.
All right, let's do it.
As usual, let's start off with 3D Mark Time Spy, where we scored a 9,148. And then over in their ray tracing benchmark, Port Royal, we got a 5,922. So obviously we need to test how it runs Borderlands. So in Borderlands 2 at 1440p on the highest settings, we stayed around 120-ish frames per second, occasionally dipping to 90 and exceeding 200, but the average seemed to be around 120. Over in Destiny 2 at 1440p on ultra settings, we stayed well above 100 FPS, with it averaging around 120. And to go over to a more intensive game performance-wise, Assassin's Creed Odyssey pulled an average of 85 frames per second on high settings at 1440p. Well, it's obviously better than the laptop that you couldn't game on before, and I know you're very excited to take it home, so thanks again for coming to GeForce Garage.
Oh my gosh, thank you for having me. This has been incredible. I can't wait to take it home, start playing a certain game that's going to be released soon, and maybe even stream.
If you guys want to see more from Britanni, there's going to be a link down in the description below, and while you're there, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you for the next one.